Hello, my minions. This is Teacher Ruth, and today we are going to discuss the topic, the current state of ICT technology. This video tutorial is based from your learning activity sheet in Empowerment Technology 11, Quarter 1, Week 1. So bring out your learning activity sheet and turn your learner's module to pages 1 to 12. Our learning targets for this session is compare and contrast the nuances of varied online platforms, sites, and content to best achieve specific class objectives or address challenges. Before our lesson, let us have some warm-up questions. I have here 2 questions for you to answer. First question is, name that logo. Timer starts. What do you think is the answer? Great. The second question is, what comes first to your mind when you heard the word ICT? Timer starts now. What do you think is the answer? Very good. So let's talk about ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephone, internet to locate, save, send, and edit information. How about World Wide Web? This information system on the internet that allows documents to be connected to other documents using by hypertext link, enabling the user to search information from one document to another. The different online platforms of World Wide Web. Web 1.0. Static page or known as flat page or stationary page. The page is as is or read text only. Web 2.0 is dynamic page, allows user to interact with the page instead of just reading a page. Unlike in Web 1.0, the user may be able to comment or create a user account. Web 2.0 is also known as participative or participatory web. Last is Web 3.0 and semantic web. Semantic web that allows data to be shared and reused to deliver web content specifically targeting user. Or Web 3.0 is a place where machines will read pages much like humans. For example, you search the internet for where's the best Korean restaurant to eat samgyeopsal. Web 3.0 will aim to give you results depending on how you made choices in the past. As to learn more about the Web 2.0, here are the following features. One is taxonomy. Allows user to categorize and classify, arrange information using freely chosen keywords. So this is the example of taxonomy, representing a social tagging system with 3 users, 4 tags, and 3 resources, and 5 posts. Second is rich user experiences. Content is dynamic and is responsive to user input. User can click on an image to enlarge it or find out more information. Third, user participation. The owner of the website is not the only one who is able to put content. Information flows 2 ways between the site owner and site user. by means of evaluation, review, and online commenting. Long tail services that offered on demand rather than on a one-time purchase. Software as a service. Users will subscribe to a software only when needed rather than purchasing it. Example is the Google Apps. Mass participation. Diverse information sharing through universal web access. I hope you understand more about Web 2.0. So let's discuss now about the trends in ICT. We have 4 trends. First is convergence. It's the synergy of technological advancement to work on a similar goal or task. For example, besides you're using personal computer to create Word documents, you can now use your smartphone. Second, social media is a website application or online channel that enables web users to create, co-create, modify, and exchange user-generated content. Mobile technologies. The popularity of smartphones and tablets has taken a major rise over the years. Today, the latest mobile devices use 4G networking, the fastest mobile network. Last is the assistive media. It's a non-profit service designed to help people who have visual reading impairments. So let's move to the types of social media. Social networks allow you to connect with other people with the same interests and background. Examples are Facebook and Google+. Bookmarking sites allow you to store and manage links to various websites and resources. Examples are StumbleUpon and Pinterest. Social news allow users to post their own items or links to other news sources. Example is Reddit. Media sharing allow you to upload and share media content like images, music, and video. Example is Instagram. Microblogging focus on short updates from the user. Examples are Twitter and Blog. Blogs and forums allow users to post their content. Free blogging platforms. Examples are Tumblr and Blogger. And let's now enumerate the operating system of mobile devices. iOS is used for iPhone or iPad. Second is Android, an open source operating system developed by Google, used by smartphones. Third is BlackBerry Phone OS, used for BlackBerry mobile devices. Symbian, the original smartphone OS. This is the old Nokia mobile phone. WebOS, originally used for smartphones, now used for smart TVs. Windows Mobile, developed by Microsoft for smartphones and pocket PCs. Now, let us have some recap. What is ICT? ICT deals with the different communication technologies such as mobile phone, telephone, internet, to save, locate, send, and edit information. What are the different online platforms for World Wide Web? We have Web 1.0, the static page, Web 2.0, the dynamic page, and Web 3.0, and semantic web. What are the features of Web 2.0? Taxonomy, rich user experiences, user participation, long tail, software as a service, and mass participation. What are the trends in our city? Convergence, social media, mobile technologies, and assistive media. What are the types of social media? Social network, social news, bookmark inside, media sharing, microblogging, and blogs and forums. What are the operating system of mobile devices? The iOS, Android, BlackBerry Phone OS, Symbian, Windows Phone OS, WebOS, and Windows Mobile. At this point, turn your activity sheet to enrichment part. Reminder: do not write anything on this activity sheet. Write your answer on a separate long bond paper. For enrichment activity 1, you're going to classify the types of social media. Write SO if you think the social media website is a social network. BS for bookmark inside. SN for social news. MS for media sharing. MI for microblogging. And BF for blogs and forums. For enrichment activity 2, it's a multiple choice. Just write the letter of your answer on it. For enrichment activity 3, you're going to identify the social media icons. And for the last enrichment activity, so fill in the missing data below. For your wrap-up activity, kindly answer the following questions. I hope you learned something today. If you have questions or clarifications regarding the topic we discussed, feel free to contact your subject tutor through text, call, or post your questions in your official Facebook group or page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.